Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going out silver salmon fishing. We're going to be using drift nets. The Kuskokwim actually opened up for a day today, so it's from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. so we're going to go try our luck. It's our first time going alone, so see if we can take what we learned and apply it, so stay tuned. Catch some fish. Yeah, I think so, because we can go a little closer, because it's probably shallow up there, I would imagine, as you get closer to the... I'm thinking like wood snags that we can't see and stuff. It's gonna. I'm working on it. I'm just going super slow. I hope we're not snagged on something. Yeah.
What are we doing?
We might be snagged on something. Yeah. Because when I gave it gas, it didn't want to go.
That's what I'm saying, we're not moving.
Yeah, that's why we were saying.
I think top has more. I think top might be easier to move. I think it's just going to be more work in the get-go until you get the bottom up here.
Cool.
And then,
Oh wow, they're huge.
that one?
Yeah.
This is silver salmon?
These are coho silver salmon. Yep.
Yeah. Cool. They're massive.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to back out of the net. I'm trying to get out of the net, so we're not.
Jesus. We dropped the first one down. Let us start.
You just tell me where I need to go with things.
Just slow.
Yep.
Steady.
Maybe we're snagged there.
Where it's sitting kind of funky there.
Just a back wrecker.
Yeah, and this the way it's
I feel like we're snagged on something.
I think our snag is going to be right up here.
Maybe the net flipped.
Log.
It does.
Why don't we pull it in the boat?
I'll get it right here.
Oh. I was pulling it the other way.
You can do it both ways.
Sometimes you can get it a little faster. That's what's stuck. The middle and right here.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, now wait.
Okay,
We gotta
yeah,
throw
I
all
was
this
gonna say,
back in.
In
we gotta
here.
be
Yeah.
thoughtful about how we do this.
Okay.
You pick it up and toss
Yep.
it, and I'll hold this other way.
So,
Woo.
1 second. I'm caught.
Bo's caught like a salmon right now.
Here, hold up. Fish on.
Like that.
But you could drive if you want, or if you want me to do it again, I don't care. You tell me what you want.
Set that somewhere.
It's on her back, on your coat.
Alright. Let me know where you want to drop it.
I honestly think right about here, because we're not too close there and we got plenty of space to go that way.
That looks it.
Now that the net's been out too, it'll be a little easier, I think. Lucrative.
Two so far that I saw.
Maybe we're even a little too far in and we're not in the actual channel.
Yeah, that could also very well be.
Because that driftwood gets stuck up on these sandbars.
Well, that wood that we pulled up was covered in sand. So it was deep.
Yeah, I bet you're right. I bet we need to go more center.
Yeah.
Back up and start the drift from like back here.
Yeah, like the actual middle.
Yeah. Do we want to pull this one in soon, or still give it the 5 minutes soak and then?
Give it the soak because we might as well make it count. I mean, there's more popping off now.
You want to pull, bud?
Yeah, I can pull.
Let me know what
Yeah.
you want backwards or whatever.
Yeah, it ain't easy.
Oh, fuck. Easy pulling either.
Otherwise, it'll flop off.
Right.
So I'll hold this
Yeah.
so that you can get the bottom.
Yeah. One second. I gotta find the bottom first. There it is. One second. Yep, there you go. Good job. I'll stuff it right there.
Yeah, I want you to get caught up.
Yeah. Yeah, you can. But you're gonna have to though at the same time. Just turn it on when I tell you to. Yep. Yeah, you might want to turn it off because it's drifting into it. Or pull back like you are. Perfect.
I'll try to put off the right bow. But
There's the freaking snag. I can already feel it, Corey. I know. It's You're gonna be sore tomorrow. No, I'm just saying you've doubled up on pulling.
let mine out.
Yeah, I'm trying.
So you gotta flip it.
Yep.
Yeah.
1 second, Leah. I just can't get that line to come over the right way.
The bottom.
Yeah.
You gotta grab with the right hand and toss with the left.
It's because I think the snag's playing into it a little bit. Oh, I'm serious.
I think there's a touch of remembering like again too.
I've been trying to get my dad to come up here for 7 years. It's getting me hot.
I feel like it's water here.
All right. Well, at the end of the day, I'm proud of us. We were able to figure it out.
Alright. Yeah, we're coming home with fish no matter what.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Once we get this in, you to kill it and let's let it rip, Bo?
Yeah, we could do that. I just...
There's no snags. It's gonna be an easy one.
Yeah.
I'll wait to see if the lead line up so I can straight.
There we go.
Good?
Yeah. One second. There we go.
What's our bet? I'm saying 7, 8.
Yeah, 7 or 8. Look at that. Is my camera going? We caught a flounder. We caught a flounder.
No way.
Is my camera going?
I have no idea. It's red.
Yep.
Yeah. Already a picture in the net.
Oh, that's cool.
You want a picture?
Yeah. That's wait. Your hands are blocking it.
Oh, that is so neat.
That's sick.
I don't know if you can eat that thing. You can eat it.
Yeah, I do want to hold him.
All right.
That is so
We'll release him. Let him survive.
Flats from SpongeBob.
Yeah.
And they're neat.
All right.
Look at the eyes on it. Great gosh, yeah. That is so there's like
I wanna.
I say, can you just
Alaskan silver. All right, we'll add this in at the very end. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. We got probably 30-ish fish, I would imagine. So we're gonna head on back and get these cleaned up. So thanks for watching. All right, so we got all of the fillets basically cut up. We're gonna go through and rinse these, and then from there we're gonna go and vacuum seal them. So gotta get all the, slime and blood off them and everything. But yeah, a lot of meat. Excited about it. And just kind of help guide the bag and hold it. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Fresh fish, ready to go down. Well, that's gonna be a wrap for today. We were able to get 25 to 30 silver or coho salmon, so it's a lot of fun. You got to see the process from start to finish. So I appreciate you watching. If you like the content, consider subscribing. See you on the next one.